This cocktail is called a Kentucky Champagne Cocktail. Go ahead and fill your shaker up with ice. We're going to do an ounce of bourbon. La, la, la. There's my bourbon. An ounce of bourbon. Those Kentucky people, man, they like their bourbon, I'll tell you what. Now we're going to do a half an ounce of peach schnapps. In it goes. Then you're going to do a dash of bitters. That's probably enough in all honesty, because bitters is pretty potent. Now, mix all this together. On the side, you will have a bottle of champagne chilling in the fridge. If it is in the freezer, I hope it hasn't been in there for very long. Go ahead and fill your champagne glass up. And then you're going to take your strainer and strain your bourbon, peach schnapps, and bitters on in, like so. Perfect. That is your Kentucky Champagne Cocktail. Happy Valentine's Day.